Human Rights Day. And what that does is it reminds us of the changes that take place in our history. And I'm going to say something very important now. History is your most important subject at school. Yes, it is. I'm the principal. I should know. I happen to be a history teacher, and I also believe that if you don't know about your past, you cannot fully understand your present, and you can't understand where you're going to go in your future. And that's why I think history is such an important subject, and why it is such an important subject in our curriculum at schools. In the old South Africa, we lived under a system called apartheid. And apartheid was a way in which the country was organized whereby some people had better benefits and privileges than others. So black people could not move around the country freely. They had to carry something called a pass that gave them permission to be in different areas of the country. White people that didn't apply to. The education system for white people was better than it was for black people. So with the health system. So with so many other things. Blacks and whites couldn't shop in the same shops or had to enter different entrances to go into shops. If you went to a post office, there was a counter for black people and a counter for white people. Many of your parents might not even remember that, but your grandparents certainly will. And if you ask your grandparents, they might even have a pass book, a little booklet that had a stamp that said, yes, you can be here in Polokwane. You didn't have to be off there in Venda, you can actually be here in Polokwane. That's what a pass was. And of course, many in this country did not accept that. And led by people like Nelson Mandela, they protested against those laws. In 1960, on the 21st of March, that's this coming Monday, 52 years ago, many years ago, they had a demonstration and they went and they burned their passes and said, we will not carry these passes anymore. And the police were nervous and they ended up shooting into the crowd and 69 people were killed. Remember when you had a national holiday, boys and girls? It will always be about something special. It's not just to have fun. It's because the country has said this day is important to us in our past. Our parents and our grandparents fought hard for the privileges that we have in our country today. And so, after many years of conflict, ANC was unbanned, there was lots of protests and demonstrations, Mandela went to jail, many people were killed, there was a war that happened between the various people in the country wanting to change the country, and eventually, sanity prevailed. And so, the conflict came to an end, there were elections, we've got a new flag, a new national constitution, a new national anthem that we've just sung that represents the unity of all of our people in the country. And our new constitution gave us a Bill of Rights. The constitution is the law that says how the country is going to work and how laws are going to be passed. And it gave us a Bill of Rights in which it said that various things are very, very important to us. We believe in equality between all races. Nobody is better than another person. We believe, and this is what's called the Bill of Rights, we believe that everybody should have equal education. We believe in the rights of children. We believe in the right to privacy, the right to freedom of expression, the right and therefore to a press so the newspapers can write whatever is important to inform people of what's going on in the country. The right to life. These are all rights in our Bill of Rights. And there are 12 most important ones, which is why I have 12 candles lit here, reminding us as a lit candle does, that there is light in the world and there's hope for the future. And why that's very, very important is because we are privileged in this country to have those rights. Russia has just invaded the Ukraine and is killing people and taking those white rights away from them. People in Yemen, in Syria, are in war and conflict. We have a national holiday that remembers that very special thing that we as South Africans have. A constitution that recognizes our rights to education, to health, to security, to all of those things. And although often those things don't work, often education doesn't work. We have a right to water, we don't always get water in our taps. We know that. But at least we've got it stated in our constitution that that is important to us. And that's what we want, that everybody has that right. There are so many countries in the world where that does not exist. So let's bow our heads and pray. Dear Father, we remember all those who fought and died in the struggle for our freedom in South Africa, for our human rights, for our liberty, for our equality between the races. We remember all those who are still in war and conflict in the world, in Yemen, in Syria, in the Ukraine, and Sudan, in Mozambique. We pray for everybody everywhere to have the rights and freedoms that we have in this country in South Africa. We pray for a solution to all our problems, both there and in the rest of the world. And above all, dear Lord, we pray for peace. Peace in our families, peace in our communities, in our towns, the countryside, and above all, between nations. And Lord, we pray for a stop to the war. We pray